Pictures, take pictures. Mama Aisha, are you taking us pictures? Fatimata, we need you here. Fatimata, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Tonga, Tonga, Tonga. Tonga, Tonga, right now. Happy International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day. Yes, yes. I see you dancing right there. I can see you. Yes. Tonga, right there. Right there. Right there. You do right there. I see you. I see you. I see you right there. I see you. Yes, I see you.
Everybody say Honga. Everybody say Honga.
Thank you, Captain. You do. Right there, Happy International Women's Day. And thanks to our men that are joining us from Keep and Joy. Next year, I'd like to see you on the phone.
Yeah. Downstairs.
I see you. I see you. I see you.
I'm seeing the only the women elected officials and the UN women. This is really nice.
We can't invite, but everybody was like,
Well, when they see us partying, they're gonna know.
that's
Yeah,
why.
like Vanessa Garza, Delta.
All of them.
Yeah, all of them.
But I think it's here. You can quit. Hey, Fatimata, why are you rushing? Don't rush. We are going on a program. It's a program. You eat. You are fasting. You and them is different. You are fasting. Most of these people have eaten. No, most of them have eaten. You eat. You're fasting. There is a program. You cannot go on the program. It's not Mickey Mama is the one who has a program. So she said we are doing, you see, I'm timing. 7 o'clock, we are doing awards, and then people get to it. She's fasting. Yeah, you eat.
See you.